My birthday is August 6th, the day the Voting Rights Act was signed. Public service then was considered a privilege and an honor. I can remember that I wanted desperately to go to the Department of Justice because of the personalities that were there. There was concern within the department, and I'm talking, this is chatter amongst the lawyers that worked there, as to whether Johnson would be aggressive in the pursuit of civil rights legislation. As it turned out, not only was he aggressive, but he was far more aggressive and politically adept than President Kennedy. And I think much to the surprise of many of us, what he pursued was far beyond anything we expected. I know that President Johnson wanted to sign the bill in the rotunda of the Capitol. I also know, and this was before hearsay's removed, but reliable hearsay, that he wanted to sign it on Lincoln's desk. Word got down to Judge Green to say, with the staff that you use to work on the bill, we would like to have there. Well, I was one of the staff, and that's how I got there. I don't think anybody knew what the effect of the Voting Rights Act would be. I will tell you this, I do know, in retrospect, it's an act that worked. It was implemented, it was funded, and it worked. The registration of minorities in the South went way up. And the representation in local government and federal government of minorities went way up, astronomically. If you want a democracy, you have to have the ability to vote, and you have to have the ability to not only to vote, but to have your vote counted. And unfortunately, those two principles, the ability to vote and the ability to have your vote counted, is not something that we are all too sure of in the future.